Assalamualaikum. My name is Hadia Faruqi Saidu Zafar. I am working in JT Art Science and Commerce College for Women Malegaon. Today in this video we are going to discuss about field inspection. These are the key points: field inspection, objectives of field inspection, stages of inspection, observation during inspection, and duties of seed inspector. First we see field inspection. Field inspection, that is inspection of standing seed crops, is an essential step in verifying conformity of seed crop to prescribed certification standard. Objectives of field inspection: to verify seed origin or source of seed and identify the variety, to collect information on cropping history of the seed field, that is to verify whether the seed field meets the prescribed land requirement or not, to check crop and cultivation condition, to check isolation distance, to check freedom from other crop plant and weed plants, to check freedom from seed-borne diseases. Stages of inspection. First, inspection at the time of sowing. Second stage, inspection during pre-flowering or vegetative stage. Third stage, inspection during flowering stage. Fourth stage, inspection during post-flowering or pre-harvesting stage. And fifth stage is the harvesting time inspection. First, inspection at the time of sowing. It is to educate the farmers participating in a certified seed production program for the first time or at the time when new crop is introduced. It is helpful in maintaining good quality seeds. The purpose of inspection to explain the growers about land and isolation requirement, to verify their foundation seed bags, planting ratio, sowing time, seed treatment, etc. Second, inspection during pre-flowering or vegetative stage. The purpose of pre-flowering inspection is to educate growers regarding plant to be rugged and suggest corrective measures. That the seed planted to produce the seed crop was eligible for use and was obtained from approved source. This can be done by inquiry, verification of sale purchase record of the certification tags. That isolation ratio, isolation requirement, land requirement, contaminant, name of the contaminant, distance between seed field and contaminant, area of seed field and area of contaminant field, percentage of disease infection, contaminant field, etc. And that the seed crop has not been grown as mixed cropping, intercropping or ratoon cropping. The actual count for various factors may be taken at this stage. The grower should be educated in this regard. Third stage, inspection during flowering stage. Flowering time inspection should be done as follows. Check whether various corrective measures, if suggested earlier, have been carried out. Check or recheck the land and isolation requirement, planting ratio for hybrids, and take detailed count for various contaminating factors as per procedure. Advise the farmer to continue rugging during flowering season. Next stage, inspection during post flowering or pre-harvesting stage. During this inspection, detailed count should be taken to determine various contaminants present in the seed field and educate the farmer. Fifth and the last stage is the harvest time inspection. It is the last inspection conducted on the seed crop. During this, detailed count are taken for various factors and isolation requirements are finally checked to confirm the crop field standards. The farmer should be given necessary instruction regarding precaution he should take during harvesting. Next, observation during inspection. General principle of field inspection. All field inspection must be made by well-trained and qualified person. The inspector has to know the prerequisite and standard of seed growing and has to be familiar with the characters of variety to be inspected, the prescribed procedure and technique of field inspection, and the minimum number of inspection specified certification standard should be strictly followed. Inspection of cross-pollinated crop during flowering and self-pollinated crop which are infected by the seed-borne diseases during flowering stage is done without prior notice. In other case, inspection are made with prior notice to exchange the necessary information, correction of minor deficiency to avoid the need of re-inspection. The seed grower or his representative should be present at the time of inspection to sign the inspection report. Upon arrival on the seed farm, the inspector should check all information about species, variety, seed origin, cultivated area, class of seed, cropping history of the field, outside of the seed field and its border area once before entering to it. Each field and its boundaries must be pointed by the seed grower. All rows of crop should be covered and crossed by the inspector on foot. He should observe farm building, threshing place, road into and the place where the wastage are thrown. During the walk in the field, the inspector must make estimate of other variety, diseased plant, general condition of the crop, farming practices and possible yield. During inspection, eye level observation can be made at the top height of the plant. During inspection, the seed field is found to be liable for rejection. Duties of seed inspector. Douglas summarized the duties and responsibility of seed inspector as follow: to arrange for suitable application, inspection and report form, to identify the source of authentic breeder seed that can be used as a basis for further multiplication, to ensure that all basic and certified seed production has originated from acceptable source of breeder seed, to ensure through field inspection that the prescribed minimum standard for isolation, planting ratio and other requirements are specified in the seed certification standard are met, to assist seed grower and producer in obtaining suitable planting seeds in case of hybrid seed production, to assist the seed producer at the time of harvesting, drying and processing to ensure that these are done correctly, to sample and inspect seed lot and submit such sample to the seed testing laboratory in order to ensure that the prescribed seed standard are met, to issue appropriate seed certification bag for seed lot which pass inspection, to carry out educational program designed to promote the use of certified seed and to encourage seedmen to develop their own program, to maintain all records so that the eligibility of a specific lot can be determined in subsequent year, to operate in such a way that there is close working relationship between certified seed growers, dealers, research panel, government officers with interest in certified seed, to investigate any violation of prescribed standard or complaint from user of certified seed and to take appropriate corrective action. Thank you.